and discreet. The colors started breathing. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I saw a picture glow like fire. Something strange, something higher. Colors moving, worlds alive. Like the future just arrived. I tried scrolling past the view, but the magic pulled me through. Every frame a shining key, every vision made by Zee. Screens are glowing, crowds are knowing. Once you see the visions he creates, there's no escaping.
Zee, Zee, Zee.
Everybody watching Zee. Nothing else compares, you see. Colors rising, feel the beat. Everybody move your feet, your feet, your feet, your feet, your feet, your feet. Other creators try their luck, upload videos and hope they're struck, but the viewers shake their heads.
She's the one is what they say.
Frames exploding, lights alive. Nothing else can match the vibe. So the crowd just walks away. Sunday markets calling their name. Screens are glowing, crowds are flowing. Everybody waiting now for the next design by Zee. Everybody watching Zee. Heaven that compares, you see. Once the visuals hit the screen, viewers never leave the scene. Other creators packing up, selling apples every Sunday. Visions rising, colors turning, screens are glowing, crowds returning. Everybody watching Zee. Nothing else compares, you see. People watch them day and night. Other creators close their shops, selling apples every Sunday. I open the screen. The colors started breathing. Saw a picture glow like fire. Something strange, they said. Frames exploding, lights alive. Nothing else can match the vibe. So the crowd just walks away. Sunday market's calling their name. Screens are glowing, crowds are flowing. Everybody waiting now for the next design by Zee Zee. Everybody watching Zee Zee. Nothing else compares, you see. Once the visuals hit the screen, viewers never leave the scene. Other creators packing up, selling apples every Sunday.